Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix CapCut PC lag while you're editing. So you can firstly go to modify here, and if you're in performance and your proxy's off, make sure you enable proxy and you select the lowest resolution. It will convert the material above the proxy resolution. But when you export it, don't worry, it's going to be the normal resolution, but this is just for editing. Then go to menu, go to settings and select performance. And if you have everything checked off right now, turn it off because it will make it have a lot of errors. Like this one, turn like unselected to avoid exporting issues. This one unselected to avoid black screen and blurry screen. And this one unselected to avoid the black screen problem during video play. And you're just going to hit the save button, and that will hopefully solve all your problems. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!